Hey, hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. Today's topic is a very interesting topic. Today we are going to cover how to resolve the household motor related problems. Let's understand what are the problems generally we are facing at the home. Motor is unable to throw the water as we start the button. Then there is a less pressure of the water, or we need to release the trap air from the air, and that there is a turbulent flow of the water. These are the generally problem everyone is facing at the home. Now first let's understand what are the main parts of the motor. There is input pipe, output pipe, then NRV, that is non-return valve, then gasket at the input pipe and output pipe, and air release brass nut. These are the main parts of the motor. Everything is shown in the form of the video at the end, so stay connected till last. If you are facing any of these mentioned problem, then first step is you need to check your NRV, that is a non-return valve. It is a one directional valve. For that case, you need to remove your motor, and first step is to insert the mouth or blow mouth here from the input pipe and check whether it is coming from output side or not. Definitely it will come out from the output side. Now you have to repeat the same process, but now this time you have to blow the mouth air from the output side and check whether it is coming out from the input side or not. If your air is coming from the input side, then your NRV is faulty and you need to replace your NRV. Now let's see how to replace the NRV. Firstly, you have to remove the NRV from the motor and show it to the shopkeeper and demand for the same, or instead you can take a photo of the rating plate fixed onto the motor. So it will be helpful to understand the pipe size and company name to the shopkeeper. While removing the NRV from the motor, please check or note its position, and while you are replacing the new NRV, then please also ensure the same position. After replacing the NRV, check the performance of the motor. Initially, when you start the button, you need to remove your trap air. For that purpose, you need to lose or remove your brass nut, so it will be easy to remove the trap air. Once trap air is removed, then fix the brass nut again and your motor is ready to work. Generally, please note, you need to replace your NRV after 4 to 5. This part is known as a NRV, that is a non-return valve. This black part is known as a gasket. Two gaskets required from the input side and one gasket required from the output side. The hole shown, it is the input side, and this is the valve of the NRV. Red color shows the valve. This is wrong position and this is the right position, and this is your input side of the motor. In this way you have to ensure whether valve is fixed in correct position or not. This is your input side. Now your NRV is